All right, let's go through example 4 here. So in this example, we're going to find P and Q, right? So we want to find P and Q that will get us the, hold on a second. The n by n matrix that it's going to be equivalent to, okay, that we saw in the last theorem. So we want to find that n by n matrix, okay. So we want to find the P and Q that will give us that matrix, okay, that it will be equivalent to. Okay, now, how do we find that? Well, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to row reduce and then we're going to column reduce. So we're going to find P and then we're going to find Q. So we're going to multiply by P. So how do we find P? Well, we're going to use our row reduction matrices. So we're going to, again, on the left, right? So when we do row operations, we're multiplying on the left. So we're going to take our original matrix and we're going to apply these elementary matrices. And when we do that, we get this row echelon form. Okay? Reduced echelon, reduced row echelon form. Okay? Now, once we get it to here, now we're just going to do we're going to column reduce it. So that means we're going to take this matrix and we're going to multiply it by column operations on the right and to do these. So just so you know, what is this saying here? Okay, this is going to take, we're taking 2 times column 1 and adding it to column 2. Okay, and when we do that, we're taking -2 times column 1, adding column 2, we're going to get a 0. So now that becomes a 0, right? And the last one here is adding column column 3 to column 4. And so we're going to add these together and then add column to column 4, right? That's what that's for. And so we get 0 here. Okay? Okay, so we add these together and we get this, and so this is our resulting matrix, and we can't column reduce it any further. Oh, actually no. The last step, because remember we want the identity matrix up here in the upper right corner, so we're going to swap columns 2 and 3 to get our final answer. So if we do that, if we just swap these 2 columns, we end up with that. Now we're at the final matrix. Now, okay, now that we're done, now we just have to find out what P and Q are. Well, guess what? If we multiply these 2 matrices together, that's our P. If we multiply these 2, together, that's our Q. And so, what do we get? We get this. So here's our P and here's our Q. and we're done.